Alright, my friends, we are going to work on our cardinals today. You are going to be getting your blue background back. We are first going to glue a branch, a large branch, on our paper. You're going to get a scrap piece of paper to put your papers you're gluing on top of, because we have such a small shape, it's very hard to glue without getting it on the table. So I'm setting my paper under. Before I add this to my glue, I'm getting a line of one or two lines of glue across. I'm going to now flip this over and line the edge of this against the edge of my paper, but this is what's very important. You want to find the bottom of the paper and you want to just go up a few inches, not too far, because we have to leave room for the body. So if I go too far up, I'm not going to have room. So now what I'm going to do is add some tiny branches, and I need to make sure that these overlap that first branch. And overlapping is when one shape touches another. I want these to look connected. So again, I'm going to get that scrap, set it on top of my paper, add some glue, find a spot, and place it on there. So I'm going to do about 3 or 4 of these coming off of that branch. Remember, you could do some below that big branch and on top of it. Alright, so now that I have those, I'm going to do more branches that go off of these ones and connect those. So I've got glue on this guy. I'm going to place him coming off of this one. If I want to, trim them with a pair of scissors because I want to make them shorter, I can. So that's looking great, my friends. The first thing we're going to do is get a triangle stencil and a red piece of paper. And you're going to trace on that red paper with a pencil. Okay, so I have that traced. Now I'm going to cut it out. Notice how sometimes when I cut a shape out, I might have some pencil lines showing. See how the pencil's showing? If that happens, you want to add glue to the side the pencil's showing on so that when I flip it over, I have a clean shape. So always tell my friends, add the messy to the messy side. So this is my messy side because I see pencil. I'm adding glue while the shape is placed on top of my placemat. And I'm going to now take this triangle and I want to put it point up because this is going to be the tail. So I want to think about where the bird is going to be, okay? So I'm going to place it about right here and it's going to overlap the tree branch. So I'm going to press that. Then what I'm going to do is get a teardrop shape, another red sheet of paper, and I'm going to trace that teardrop shape on my red sheet of paper using a pencil. So I have that trace, so now I need to cut it out. Placemat, add the messy to the messy side, flip it over, and we're going to do a little overlapping again. You're going to have it point side up, overlapping the curve, overlapping the tip of that triangle. So now we have the body and the tail. Okay. That's looking great, my friends. So next time we're going to go in and make the feathers for our birds and do the snow.